engineering board, and our team name is Lakshya. Come to my So the picture you see here is the rough sketch of our model, and this is the real model. This is the real model over here, and this was the rough sketch when we started making it. So we qualified till the regional championship of the WRO.
How you have done? Why you have done?
So this idea was actually Netra's. So I will request her to present.
Told to us was about Earth allies. So they told us to take a very specific problem, not a very big problem, a very small but something which is very important, which is happening. So you know, right? Small garbage particles. This is just a small prototype. This can be made into a very big design. So our idea was the pressing issue of waste blockage and small particles and everything which is going in the floods. After floods, for example, you'll get a lot of garbage blocking the drains, right? Open drains I'm talking about, not closed drains. So in open drains along the roadside or near the riverbeds, that. So we made a model which would actually land as well as water, you can use it. So if you see here, we have just used the wheels, so you can actually replace the wheels with propellers, for example, which is connected with only one motor at one side. So totally there are two motors, one
here.
So there are actually only two motors down in the wheel. And another one is for the conveyor belt. So the conveyor belt system is like when your boat is actually going in water areas.
So I hope you know how the escalator works, right? Like so, it just rotates and then you just get lifted to the higher position. Like in the malls and all, you must have seen. So the same principle. The same principle, this conveyor belt, it just rotates and then it takes the garbage from the water and disposes it off into the collection tank. Okay, storage tank.
It's a working model.
Yeah, it's a working model actually. So, lot of things here. How do you So, the body of the robot is made with a transparent fiber sheet and then we have painted this actually. Okay. So, I think everything is explained. Battery of 4.7 volt is used and there is a microcontroller of Arduino Uno.
So this is actually voice control. We have not used any sensors. So to work on voice. So we have coded it in such a way. So you know Arduino Uno, right? Any one of you who knows Arduino Uno? It's a basic thing which every person using making a robot will use that thing. So it consists of two types. One is the main one and another one is called microcontroller.
The Arduino Uno just actually controls the entire process.
So it's like a main controlling unit.
Yeah.
Main controlling unit. These are the motor controllers, and we have designed it in such a way that it works on land as well as water.
Forward. Backward. Forward. Left. Right. Stop. Load. Unload. Stop.